Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z.
I'm B.
So we're getting ready for the Forged
Fantasy Fairy Festival in Lebanon.
That.
Forged Fantasy Fairy
Festival.
Forged Fantasy Fairy Festival. There we go.
We just summoned it. Did we say it together?
I think so.
Not successfully. Anyway, and it's the...
April 26th and 27th from 10 to 5.
We are going to be there. You're going to be there.
At the Lebanon Valley Mall.
Mm-hmm. We went last year just to kind of like check it out, and it was legit awesome. Like, I feel out of the Fairy Fest we've gone to, for even being an indoor one, we did what? Scavenger hunt, live music, axe throwing, all sorts of...
goats. You were petting goats.
There were goats!
There was a costume contest.
That we did well at.
There's over 40 vendors, I think.
Yeah, it was insane. Like, the entire length of the mall, vendors. But now this year, we will be vending, so come check us out. But in honor of Fairy Forged Fantasy Fairy Fest, that we need to summon something fantasy related.
You know.
And I don't know, but I've been really hot with all the crafting I've been doing.
And it's cold and nasty outside.
You're always cold.
It's cold and wet.
So
I'm ready for summer.
we can work with that. When our powers combine,
I have ice.
I have a lighter. I'm endangering myself and others. Fire and ice?
Dragon Duel.
Take out the dueling stuff. Oh god, this looks messy and complicated.
There's 10
Just like
eggs. And it says use this box for a no mess situation.
Well, that takes the fun out of it. I guess we'll try it. I
There's-
say, let's open it up.
Alright.
We're gonna get right to it. Cause this, I still have a lighter. Somebody should probably take that away from me. Oh.
They're more pink than red.
Okay. So apparently what we're supposed to be doing is cracking these open and each making a dragon. I say it would be much more fun if we raced. You've chosen your weapon.
Okay.
Alright. Here we go. How many parts are there? Is there just one in every egg?
Maybe. I didn't look at the instructions because we don't do that. Oh, I have a tail.
Oh! We need safety goggles.
Oh.
These pieces are minuscule. That's an entire hind leg, I assume?
Oh goodness, you're gonna win.
Well, I've lost a limb somewhere. The question of who's winning, neither of us, the eggs. Does this count as our cardio?
Probably.
I'm so focused on this egg, but out of my peripheral, I just see chunks flying.
Yeah, stab it.
Is it obvious that the Z's Toy Box crew has some built-up aggression?
No.
I feel like a legit archaeologist at this point. My god, I really wish we had a calorie counter. And we are the color of the eggs now. So, we did put it in water. We have hammers?
Yeah.
So, they are assembled through like a peg and hole process. But you have to, yeah. It's good we soak them because part of whatever is like plaster material is in the hole.
Mine does have a little bit of battle damage from this. Stabbing it in the face.
Oh. I definitely say if you want to attempt to play with these later, glue would be your friend.
Here we go. I'm done.
Rawr, fire and ice. The tiniest, least formidable, intimidating dragons I've ever seen in my life. You know what? They're fey-sized dragons.
They are.
The Fae
They're
would ride
fairy.
these in the battle.
They're fairy skeleton dragons.
Yeah, overall, it's a fun little activity. Now, 6 and up, I'm probably, at my age, needed an adult. It's a fun concept. Like, if you get it together, sit somewhere, and for the love of God, don't look at it, don't breathe around it, don't blink near it. Unless you have the super glue out.
So you won the chipping away at the eggs, but I won the construction.
Yeah, you won the overall.
Tie.
You still had yours together long before I did. I got held up. I thought I came out ahead front. And then I wasn't careful with where I put my pieces, and it took me a while to find them.
Well,
put them
and to be
together.
fair, you have very shaky hands, so.
I do. Zeus, what do you think of the dragons? Do you approve? I went through that too hard. Zeus approves. Thank you so much for watching this week's episode, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More disturbing 8 pounds of mess. But Fae related?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say probably Fae related. We have a couple weeks till.
It's us.
Yeah.
Fae and or dragon related is gonna be mine is bigger than yours.
And cut!
And here we have our Fire and Ice Dragon Duel. So tiny, but so cute. And don't forget to come see us at the Forge Fantasy Fairy Festival at the Lebanon Valley Mall, April 26th and 27th, both days 10 to 5. And don't forget, free entry, and go ahead and dress up. We want to see your cool costumes. And make sure you come see us at our booth. And yeah, we'll see you there.